Hey guys, welcome to Digit, and this is going to be an overview of the Sketchfab extra bass stereo headphones. Now the model number on the imagery happens to be the MDR XB450. We happen to know of a similar model number from Sony, so also the design seems remarkably similar. On the rear of the packaging we can see some information regarding the sound signature as well as the swivels that the headphones have, and also the control pod which has play pause as well as call receive and call cancel buttons. So this is the pod that we were speaking about, and you can see it has just one button. There is no volume rocker anywhere, so you can't adjust the volume using this particular device. All you can do is play pause if you are listening to music, or you can answer calls or end them using this single multifunction button. On the opposite side you have a little opening for the microphone, so this thing has both microphone as well as the speakers. And we need not mention that it uses flat cables, so this will be tangle free, and that's always an advantage. Coming to the earphones themselves, these are circular cans with circumaural or supraaural. It seems supraaural because this cannot go around your ears. This can only sit on top of your ears, and the clamping pressure is, well, doesn't seem to be too much going by what we have experienced with other headphones. But these headbands are obviously adjustable, so that's always a good thing to have. And what else can we talk about? The drivers themselves at the center of the Sketchfab MDR XB450 happen to be 30 drivers, and obviously the sound signature happens to go from 20 Hz to 20 kHz, which is common with most earphones in this particular price range. Aside from that, we don't have anything else that we can add unless we obviously listen to the devices themselves. But that's about it for this particular video. In case you'd like us to do similar videos of audio products, please do like and share this video. Thank you for watching.